Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st of April. And first of all, national news. Landslides triggered by rains block Jammu Srinagar National Highway. 19 Assam products, traditional crafts get GI tag, Himanta Sharma. Expecting a refund of 6,329 crore from Income Tax Department, Infosys said. No plan to take electoral route, farmers said ahead of 2024 polls. India blocks 5 demand to Election Commission at Mega Delhi in Delhi. Mumbai's Bandra Worli Sea Link toll rates to go up by 18% from April 1st. We have strong case. Zomato to appeal against 23 crore rupees GST notice. Now international news. King Charles attended Easter Sunday church service. Cash strapped. Pakistan banned red carpets at official events to cut cost. Pakistan PM Shehbaz Sharif banned red carpets at official events. China's manufacturing activity expanded in March after a 5-month lull. UN said 4 staff wounded in South Lebanon blast. Sahara dust cloud smothers Germany, France, and Switzerland. Europe has entered pre war era, Poland's Prime Minister Donald Tusk. France to send old armored vehicles, new missiles to Ukraine. And now some sports news. Rohan Bopanna registered new all-time record by clinching Miami Open title with Matthew Ebden. Vishwanathan Anand trained for Candidates 2024 commentary gig with Funny Voice training. IPL 2024 points table. Gujarat Titans rose to fourth spot after SRH victory. CSK remain on top. Hardik Singh and Salima Tete named the Player of the Year for 2023. Jannik Sinner, Grigor Dimitrov advanced to Miami Open final. India's new rupees 500 crore scheme to promote e-mobility kicked in from April 1st. Now news related to business. Infosys to receive 6,329 crore tax refund from IT department. Telangana to raise 16,000 crore market borrowings in the first quarter of financial year 2024 to 25. Bank of India got rupees 1,127.72 crore tax notice from Income Tax Department. Zomato got rupees 23.26 crore GST notice from Karnataka tax authorities. And that's all in news. Thank you.